Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I just realized in last week's video or 2 weeks ago video, I didn't explain like what envelopes were stuffing and why. So I kind of want to like go over all of the envelopes and how much we're going to be putting in each paycheck, just so that you guys have a clear idea of what I'm saving, and I have a clear idea of what I'm saving too. So I did go ahead and write down all of the envelopes that we're going to be stuffing. I'm going to put it to the side. And we're going to start with my gold wallet. This is my wallet that I carry with me all the time. So it has like all of my credit cards, my IDs, everything inside there. And then it has the household budget sheet, the grocery sheet, and then it also has the gas envelope, the car maintenance, just in case I'm stuck somewhere and the car needs any maintenance or anything like that. I have that envelope. Miscellaneous, which is still the gift card from last budget we still haven't used. And then I have back here some extra envelopes with like coupons inside of it, and then just like another blank one. So we're gonna stuff this envelope first, and I kind of changed the amounts too as well. So for households, it's gonna get $15 inside of it. And I didn't use last week's money either, so for this I'm pretty much going to be saving up and going that route. So I do buy stockpiles in Costco for household items, but like I said, we're going to be getting $15 in this envelope. And last week I put in $15, so now we have a total of $30 in this envelope. So I'm just going to put it together, and I'm going to write on here too, just to keep track of what we're doing. So plus 15, and now we have $30 in here in this envelope. I'm just going to put that to the side. Okay, so the next one we're going to be doing is groceries. Groceries is going to be getting $100. I didn't use last week's grocery budget, which was $40 to share the grocery bill with other people, so it was their turn. So I'm going to be putting $100 in here and keeping this $40 in this bucket too as well. So let's do 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So now we have $140 in groceries. Okay, so next is going to be gas. Gas has $0 because I didn't use it. I've been going to a lot of places this last 2 weeks, so that's at $0. And gas gets $40 every paycheck too. I might be bumping that amount up because I will be doing a side hustle and I will be needing a car a lot more. So pretty soon this balance will go up. But as of now, we're gonna do 40. And we have $40 in here now. 20 and 40. Car maintenance is going to be getting $10, and right now there's $10 in there, so I'm going to be adding another 10 in car maintenance. Oh, I lied to you guys. There is a $20 in here. I think last time I only put in, I think I didn't have change, so there's $20 in here. So now the total is going to be $30. But every paycheck, car maintenance will be getting $10 moving forward. So we have that. Okay, so miscellaneous gets nothing. And that is all for my wallet, that I carry with me. So next we're going to be going to this envelope. This envelope has pretty much like my kids' envelopes and like Christmas and stuff in here. So Christmas is going to be getting $15 every paycheck. So we're going to have a total of $30 in here now. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 30. So now we have $30 in Christmas. Okay, so travel is going to be getting a new price of $50. So right now we have $30 in travel, and I'm going to be starting to set this for $50 because I travel way too much. So we're going to do two. So I have 50. Let's just put them together. Okay, so I have 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. So we have $80 total in travel. So I'm adding 50 and 80. Next one is beauty. Beauty is going to be getting a 20, and it's actually beauty and hobby. So beauty and hobby is getting a 20. There's already 20 in here. And now we have 40. So last episode we did stuff the kids. This is all the kids. They were getting $5 each. Now I'm going to be doing $10 moving forward for their envelope. So starting with the youngest, Tati has $5 in there. We're going to be adding 10, and her total is going to be 15. Which 10 to 15. And I'm just going to step there really fast because I have 5 kids, and this part can be a little tedious. So I'm going to fast forward right now. Okay, so my emergency fund is going to get another $41 inside of here. I'm trying to build this up to 1,000, at least have 1,000 all time in here. So in the next couple months, you're going to be seeing me put in more money, just so that I'm more secure in it. But it's going to get 41. So right now it has 20, 40, 1, and 2 in here, and I'll be putting an additional 41. So 41. So it's going to have a total of $83 in total. 20, 40, 1. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, and 3. Savings is going to get $125 in here. So we currently have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and 5. And it's going to get another 105. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 5. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 2, 20, 5, and 30. So 2, 30. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 25, 30. So right now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 25, 30. Oh, it's missing a 20. Okay, let's try that again. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 45, 50. So 125, and we have a total of 150 now. Okay, so we're done with that envelope. I'm gonna put them to the side, and I'm gonna grab the next one. So these ones are kind of special. I have medical in here. I am going to be doing a surgery, and it costs money for the surgery, so I'm going to be saving in here. And this one, you're going to see it skyrocket too pretty fast. My daughter's sweet 16. I'm planning that. Her sweet 16 is going to be next year, so I want to make sure that we're all set and ready for her party next year. And then I am doing the 52-week challenge, and then I have a miscellaneous envelope in here too. So I'm going to grab my phone real fast, and we're going to stuff them all. But I want to calculate the 52 challenge. I'm doing mine a little different. I don't know. Okay, or throw the phone. I'm doing mine just a little bit different. So I'm going to stuff this every month. So on here, I'm doing $10 plus $12 plus $14 plus $16. So $52. So I'm going to be spending $52 today for the month of February. And I will be putting more money in every paycheck. If it's like $5 or $10, but I kind of want this to go by faster. So 52. So I'm going to add the 40 that we already put in last paycheck, which is 92. So right now we're at $92. 92. So okay. Okay, so I already had the 20 in there. I mean, I already had the 40 in there. That was from last stuffing. And then I'm just gonna add in the 52. Put this down. Put the bills the same way. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, and 2. So I have a total of $92 for the 50-week challenge. And let me just show you guys how I am doing mine. So it's going to get a little bit closer. And I will take a picture of this right here too, just so you guys can see. But basically, for every week, I'm going up $2. So for the month of January, it was 2 for 1 week, 4, 6, 8. And then for February, it's 10, 12, 14, 16 for every week. And then therefore, like every $2 every week, I'm adding on $2 more. So that's how I'm doing this challenge. And I'm just gonna put the money back in here. Miscellaneous is going to get $10. Perfect. And then for the savings for my daughters, medical is going to get 100, and so is Sweet 16 is going to get 100. So I'm just going to see what we have left. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So Sweet 16 is getting 100. And her Sweet 16 is going to be next year, but the whole bill and everything is going to be like 10 grand, to be honest with you guys. So I want to get a head start, like a year and a half head start, just so that I am budgeting slowly. But I'm not the only one planning her Sweet 16. All of her aunts, her uncles, her cousins, you know, like her, you know, family on her dad's side, like we're all pitching in for this. So you will see more money come in into this envelope fast too as well, because as people give me their money, I'm going to be adding it to this. But for me, I'm budgeting right now. This is my money, and I'm budgeting $100 every paycheck, and see where we are at. So I'm going to add, and we put in 100 for this one. And then for medical, we're going to be doing 100. I think all I have is 5s. Oh my god. 5s and 1s left. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So let's count that again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that is going to go under medical. Plus 100. Let me shove it in there. Perfect. So medical's done, Sweet 16's done, the challenge is done, and miscellaneous is done. Okay, so we do have money left over. I have 2 5s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I also have 30. So $40 left over. And what I'm going to do with this is back in my gold envelope, my wallet, I said I was going to do a gift one envelope, and that's going to be this one right here. So I'll be using this one. I'm going to be putting $10 in here, and maybe I can give $1 a person. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So now I have a gift. I'm going to decorate it and put gifts, a little label on here just so that I know what it's for, but that will go back in this wallet. Perfect. Pull this out. My kids, all my kids are in a sport. They're in karate. The 3 girls are in cheerleading and the 2 boys are in karate. And this Saturday they are going to be ranking for their next cheer color in cheerleading, and the boys are going to be doing ranking for their white belt. So I have to pay a fee when I get there, and I made sure I pulled this money out for that. So let me just count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. Okay, yes. So my kids' class, for them to rank for each visit, there's 5 of them. And it's going to be $5 for them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It's $5 for each of them to rank. And then the additional $5 is going to be for them to like get some like a snack or water while we're there at the park. So this right here is going to go under activities. You have another envelope in this one, which it should be under. I had to look back at my notes to see why I have extra money. So yeah, so this is going to be for cheer and karate, and I'm going to throw it into this envelope right here. And I might have to decorate this one too as well. Perfect. So now that we know what we're doing for them, the caddy is empty now. It does have a change up here, but I have a jar of change that I just normally put in there every single day. So I don't really use the change part of it. But yep, it's empty. I'm going to close it. And all of our folders are stuffed. Thank you for watching my channel so much, and have a wonderful day.